The werewolf, a creature that straddles the boundary between man and beast, has been a source of intrigue, terror, and fascination for centuries. These creatures, often depicted as humans who can transform into wolves, have permeated folklore, literature, and popular culture. But what truths lie behind the werewolf tales, and how have myths and misunderstandings shaped our perceptions of them? Let's delve into the facts and myths surrounding the enigmatic werewolf. Historical origins. The werewolf mythos can be traced back thousands of years across various cultures. Ancient Greek writings, for instance, recount tales of men changing into wolves. One of the most famous is the story of King Lycaon, who was transformed into a wolf by Zeus as punishment for serving him human flesh. Similarly, Norse mythology speaks of the Ulfhednar, fierce warriors who wore wolf skins and were believed to channel the animal's spirit in battle. The fact, werewolf legends are not exclusive to one region or culture. From the Native American skinwalkers to the European tales of lycanthropy, the concept of human-to-wolf transformation exists in various forms globally. The Middle Ages and lycanthropy. The werewolf myth took a dark turn during the Middle Ages in Europe. Amidst the backdrop of the witch trials, accusations of lycanthropy, the ability to transform into a wolf, became prevalent. People believed that those accused of being werewolves had made pacts with the devil. These accused individuals were often subjected to trials, torture, and execution. The werewolf hysteria during the Middle Ages was likely a result of political, social, and religious factors. Just as with the witch trials, fear and misunderstanding led to the persecution of innocent individuals. Physical transformation or psychological condition. Modern interpretations often depict werewolves as humans undergoing a physical transformation during the full moon. This portrayal, fueled by Hollywood and literature, paints the werewolf as a creature of horror. The myth. While popular culture often ties the werewolf transformation to the lunar cycle, many traditional legends don't specify such a connection. The idea that werewolves transform specifically during a full moon is a relatively modern invention. Some historians and scientists believe that tales of werewolves could be explanations for medical conditions. For example, hypertrichosis, a rare condition that results in excessive body hair, might have contributed to beliefs in werewolves. Similarly, conditions like rabies, which can cause aggressive behavior, might have been misinterpreted as lycanthropy in earlier times. Silver bullets and werewolves. The idea that werewolves can only be killed by silver bullets is a staple in modern media. This concept suggests that these creatures are not just powerful, but almost invincible, save for this one weakness. The myth. The association between werewolves and silver bullets is largely a 20th century invention, popularized by movies and literature. Many traditional legends do not mention this specific vulnerability. Historically, methods to ward off or kill werewolves varied. Some believed that mistletoe, wolfsbane, or even rye could deter these creatures. Others thought that simply addressing the werewolf by its human name could break the curse. Modern werewolves and popular culture. Today's portrayal of werewolves has evolved significantly from the dark tales of the past. Modern literature and films often depict them as tragic figures, torn between their human and wolf identities. Series like Twilight and Teen Wolf present werewolves as more nuanced characters, often struggling with their dual nature. As with many myths, the werewolf legend has adapted to reflect societal changes and interests. Today's werewolves often symbolize the internal struggles individuals face, embodying themes of identity, transformation, and acceptance. In conclusion, the werewolf myth is a tapestry woven from threads of history, culture, fear, and misunderstanding. While many aspects of the werewolf tales are rooted in myths and fallacies, they reflect humanity's attempt to explain the unexplained and make sense of the unknown. Over time, the werewolf has transformed from a feared creature of the night to a symbol of internal conflict and duality, proving that myths, like the creatures they describe, are ever evolving.